So, my husband got me this new phone and my new watch. Basically because he knows how much I absolutely love taking pictures. And basically I got the phone because I just wanted to take pictures with it. And I'm pretty excited about the new artificial intelligence that's in the phone. So I'm pumped about that too. So, I guess I can say I'm just a little extra spoiled because I'm really pumped. Anyways, I'm logging into the phone. This is what it looks like so far. This is the new, what is the new iPhone? What is this, the 16? I don't know. It's the newer one, the big one with the camera on it, and it's supposed to have the artificial intelligence update. That's the only reason I got this phone. I used to only have Android, and I switched to iPhone a couple years ago. And so now we've switched everybody in our family to iPhone, and it really works great just because I like the FaceTime feature to be able to FaceTime. And honestly, what I've learned too, when I transferred my stuff from my Droid over to my new Droid phone, like my Samsungs, because I always did the Samsung Galaxy phones, it took forever. It was like a hot mess, and everything was unorganized. With the iPhone, once I switch it over, I do my Face ID and I don't have to really log into anything, and I don't have to remember any password. So that's my favorite part because I forget everything too. So because the camera is the reason I really wanted the phone, I'm going in here, and it looks like you can do like a different setup, different styles. I'm not going to not press that because I want to be able to do that, and I don't know how to get back to it. So the camera looks pretty good. I'm probably going to be taking lots more videos and pictures because I'm pumped about this camera. And also the new watch, I got the smaller one because that big one, you guys, looked like it was going to eat my wrist. It was ginormous. So he actually ordered these for my birthday, and whenever it first came out, and it's been on back order, and I just got the phone today. I've had the watch for, I don't know, a couple days now. I'm really liking it. I haven't got to you have to have it on for like 7 nights or whatever to do the new vital night stuff to test for sleep apnea, which I'm pretty interested to see. It has a whole lot of new features as far as testing different stuff, and of course the screen's bigger, or you could get it even bigger than this, because like I said, I got the small one. So I just wanted to say I'm super excited that I'm going to be able to take better travel photos. And the more places that we go, I got the 1 terabyte storage or whatever in it. So hopefully I can take as many pictures and videos, and I don't ever have to run out of space. But I think we pay for the cloud. I don't know how the cloud works, but we pay for some Apple cloud thing. So with the new phone, I'm excited about taking new travel videos and pictures. And I am excited about sharing a whole lot of new places with you guys. So